Hi guys, so today I'm going to show you how to add an assignment to Google Classroom. So I have my Google Classroom up. I also have grade 6 science pacing chart because that's the assignment that I'm going to use today to model this for you. And I have my Google Drive up as well. So the first thing that I'm going to do is I'm going to go to the grade 6 through 8 pacing chart, because again, I am using task 1 in the pacing chart as an example for today. And the students for task 1, week 4, they have to read this article, the Amazon article, and they have to do this assignment. So I want to upload the article and the assignment to Google Classroom. So I'm going to open up the article first. Once I have the article opened, I am going to add it to Google Drive. Add shortcut. Now that's in. I'm going to close this. Then now I want to add the assignment to my Google Classroom. I'm going to open it up. Then I'm going to go right here and I'm going to add it to my Google Drive. So I'm going to go here, add shortcut. Now that both things are in my Google Drive, I'm going to close this. And now I want to go into my Google Classroom. When you're in your Google Classroom, you're going to go to Classwork. You're going to click on Create. And here I want to create an assignment. Then I'm going to title my assignment. I'm going to title it Week 4, Task 1. And then you can be a little bit more specific here and you can write article Amazon. And then here you can write instructions. So here you can say, read the article. And I'm just going to go back just to be clear on what the article name is. So it is called Amazon and answer the questions. Again, you could be a little bit more specific here if you like. So then you will click on add. And then here, my assignments are in Google Drive, but if you have a link or you have a file that you have, like a Word document that you have, you can add it here, or a YouTube video, this is where you will add it as well. But my assignments now are on Google Drive, so I'm going to click here. Then once I'm there, here is my article. Now I want to look for the assignment that the students are going to be completing. Again, it's on my Google Drive, so I'm going to click Google Drive. And here is the assignment that the kids have to complete. Now here is very important. You want to make sure that you click on this toolbar and then you make sure you click where it says make a copy for each student. Because if you don't do that, then what happens is that the student will, if you click here, students can edit file. All of the students will be working on the same document, and you don't want that. And then you don't want the students just to view the file. You want to make a copy for each student so that each student has their own copy and they can submit their own work. Then here, if you have multiple classes, you can choose the classes that you want to assign the work to if you teach one content area for multiple sections. And then you can also assign to what students. Here, automatically all your students will be checked. Here, I usually just leave 100 points. You can have a due date as well, that the kids have to submit their work. You can select a specific topic as well. Or if you want to add a rubric, you can do that here as well. So then what you want to do is assign this to your students. Sometimes it takes a little while. And then here, when this comes up, you want to press copy. It's just saying that you don't have permission to edit the file that are in your Google Drive because we didn't make copies. We added a shortcut. So if this comes up, it's totally okay. You're just going to press copy. And again, this might take a little while. So we just wait. And then voila, here it is. So week 4, test 1 article, Amazon. And that's the assignment that you just created. So then here it says, obviously because we just did it, 0 have turned it in. And right now in this specific Google Classroom, I have 4 students that have signed on. So I have only assigned it to 4 students. But obviously, if you have a class of 24, you will see the number 24. And what's the best part about this is that when you go to grades, this is the assignment that I just did to model. I have already created assignment for my class, but when the kids complete their assignment, it has like a sheet here where it tells you who completed it. And then when you give them a grade, the grades will come up here. So you can, this is an easier way for you to grade the students and then transfer this over to your gradebook. I hope you find this helpful. Thank you.